Hi, I'm Stephen from Pure Tone Aesthetics. I look after product development, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to use the Innocera HIFU Treatment Head. We start by attaching the HIFU Treatment Head to the main body of the Innocera unit. You basically align the dots and click that into place. This HIFU Treatment Head operates between 1.5 mil and 4.5 mil. So that means it can reach the SMAS various areas of your face. And that helps to develop the new collagen, which then helps to lift and tighten the skin, and improve the skin texture, and so on. First of all, we power on the device by pressing and holding the button at the bottom of the unit. The unit will power on, and the display is going to show us the number of shots that we've got left and which HIFU mode it is in. So the unit has two modes. You can either use it with a line of dots or a single straight line. You use the single straight line for heavier areas, for jowls and for the neck area, and then you would use the dot area for sort of finer areas, maybe around the cheekbone, the forehead, and so on. To begin, we will apply some gel. Innocera comes with face-up conductor gel. The conductor gel is important because that helps transfer the energy from the head of the HIFU device into the skin, but it also includes a lot of anti-aging ingredients. So you've got a dual action approach. So you've got the HIFU, which is going to get deep into the SMAS, and then you've also got the anti-aging ingredients in the gel, which will also help that lifting effect and to improve the overall texture of your skin. So we start off by applying a small amount of gel just to the area that we're going to treat. So we're not going to put the gel all over the face. We're just going to put it on the area we're treating first of all. Otherwise the gel will dry too quickly, and then we'll have to put more on. So after we've switched it on, we can adjust the sensitivity or the intensity of the HIFU by using the central button. So we advise you start on the lowest setting. It's got 5 settings from 1 to 5. So you start on 1 and just see how that feels on your skin. And then you can increase the intensity as you go. It doesn't really matter which setting you put it on. The higher the intensity, the faster you will get to the results you want. If you put it on a lower setting, you're going to need more treatments to get the same results. But it doesn't matter. You've just got to use it in a way that's comfortable for you. Okay, so we've already applied the gel. I've just got it set on 1. And what we do, we basically place the HIFU head flat against the skin. So you can feel that it moves around, but you just hold it in one position and you press the shot button, which is this one here, the big button. So we put it against the skin, press the button, and then I can hear that deliver that line of shots, and you can also feel it. Then you move it over slightly, press the button again, and it delivers the next line of shots. And then we repeat. Press again. You can feel sort of a heat and sort of a subtle sort of pinprick type sensation. Okay, so we go across. And then we move, I'm going to move up to this sort of temple area here. And then across. So you notice that you're not doing a sweeping motion. It's very much a static delivery. And you just move it across. If you think you can cope with a bit more intensity, we can turn it up. I'll put it on to 2. I need to apply a little bit more gel. I'm going to move over to the other side. So I'm only putting like a pea-sized amount there. Just going to put it on here. Okay. And then I'm going to repeat the process on this side. So just move, press the shot button, wait for it to deliver the shots, then move, press the shot button, wait for it to deliver the shots, and move again. Put a bit more here to make sure I've got an equal amount done. And you basically repeat that process until you've covered the whole face. You can do the jawline as well. You can do the throat. You've got to avoid the Adam's apple. And to begin with, we recommend a treatment every 2 weeks for the first 3 months. So you do a really thorough treatment every couple of weeks. And then move to a sort of more of a maintenance mode, where you might use it maybe once a month, maybe every 3 weeks, something like that, just to maintain what you've got. And that is all. If you've got any questions, please let us know. We'll be happy to help.